Let's keep chanting Om. Keep chanting Om. 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 Let's do some stretching. Scrub your hand. Apply on your eyes. Put all that energy on your face. Take your hand back. Go toward the Supreme Mother Earth. Hands coming up. And relax. Let's do some stretching. Both hands up. Turn to the right. Stretch. Let your belly button pop out and you keep turning to the right side. Stretch, stretch, and center. Both hands up. Turn to the left. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Keep looking at back wall and center. Both hands up, turn to the right hand very close to your body so you can lift up your spine toward the ceiling. Push your left hand to right knee and keep pushing toward right side and look at the back wall. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and center. Both hands up, turn to the left, stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and center. Let's go right side now. Both hands up. Right hand comes down to the right side. Go to the right. Lean to the right. Stretch. Look through the armpit of your left hand and keep counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and up. Right hand up, stretch toward the ceiling. Slide your left toward left side. Look through the armpit of your right hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and up. Stretch your left hand, slide your right, go toward right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and up. Stretch your right, go toward left. Stretch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and up. Let's get up now and do some leg stretching. Open your legs up. as wide as possible. Both hands stretch sidewise. Turn toward right. Stretch. Both hands are parallel. Don't let that go down. Bend toward right side and go nose toward the knee and bend. Stretch, stretch, stretch and up. Come on in straight. Turn toward left. Go and touch your nose to the knee. Hands are parallel. Aeroplane mode. 3, 5, 6, 7 and up. Again, one more time. Turn toward right. Go toward knee and keep your hand parallel. Don't let that go down and try to touch your nose to the knee and up. And last one, left side and go down. Stretch, stretch, stretch and up and center. Interlock your hand in front. Open up your legs as much as possible. Go down and touch the ground and take your hand toward right side. We are doing vertical Chakki Chalan Asana. Circle it. 1. Keep looking your fingers or hands. 3, 4 and 5. Reverse. 1. Vertical Chakki Chalanasana. 2, 3, 4 and last one. And relax. Alright, so let me start the music. You come down in front of the mat and I will start the music.
मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ पूष्णे नमः। ॐ सूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ भर्गाय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ भर्गाय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ भर्गाय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ भर्गाय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ ऊष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ ऊष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ ऊष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ भानवे नमः। ॐ खगाय नमः। ॐ ऊष्णे नमः। ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः। ॐ मरीचये नमः। ॐ आदित्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः। ॐ अर्काय नमः। ॐ भास्कराय नमः। ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः। ॐ मित्राय नमः। ॐ रवये नमः। ॐ सूर्याय नमः। ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः ॐ मित्राय नमः ॐ रवये नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः ॐ सवित्रे नमः ॐ अर्काय नमः ॐ भास्कराय नमः ॐ श्री सवितृसूर्यनारायणाय नमः
Keep moving, please. Keep moving.
Just make your body
Relax. Keep moving. Increase your heart rate. Jumping jack if you want, feel like yogic jog. And then shake your body left and right. You can lift up your legs. And now let's have a more relaxation. Lie down on your back and relax. Let Mother Earth take you in. Pay attention through your breath. Make it as deep as possible. Inhale and exhale. And let's meditate for 1 minute. Wiggle your toes, wiggle your fingers, move your legs left and right, and your head. Shake it up left and right. Bring your hand on over the head and stretch your upper body and lower body. Use Stikasana, stick pose. Keep stretching, 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 and relax. One more time. Use Stikasana. Bring your hand over the head. Stretch your finger toward the head and toes at the other side of the wall. Keep stretching and relax. Bring your hand in aeroplane mode, palm facing down. Fold your legs and take it toward left side. You look at the right. Twist. It's a good spinal twist. Give them a good stretch. Stretch, 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 and center. Take both legs toward the right and head toward the left. Keep stretching, stretch, 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 and center. Lift up your legs a little bit and then take it toward left. You can apply the pressure on top knee and keep stretching. Stretch, 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 and bring both legs toward the right. You look at the left side, keep pressure on your left knee, stretch. Give them little push. Now take your body toward right side. Let's give it one breath. And with the support with your left hand, you can get up and sit down. And let's do Anulom Vilom, 5 of them. Let's make this one last one. And relax. Let's chant Om one time. Om. Create the energy between your two hands. Apply on your eyes. Open your eyes in the darkness. Massage all your face. Let's create the more energy. Apply on your head, back of the head, neck, shoulder, hands, legs, all the way to the bottom. Thank you for letting me lead the class, and namaste.
Thank you, Hemaben. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Yeah, મારી ડ્યુટી 7 વાગ્યાથી ચાલુ થઈ જાય છે આ વીકમાં.
ઓકે ઓકે જય શ્રી કૃષ્ણ.
હા, Yeah. All right. Have a
Yeah.
wonderful day.
Thank you, હેમાબેન.
Thank you, everybody. Namaste and Jai
નમસ્તે.
Shri Krishna.
વૈશાલી વેકેશન માંથી આવી ગઈ.